Let us do exercise 5.2 of data handling. Our next topic is pie chart. The data which is represented by diving a circle into a sector is known as pie chart. Diving a circle means you have to divide the circle into a sector. Pie graph are circular so they are also called circle graph. See dear student, this is an example of pie graph. The circle is divided into sector. Now, method of drawing pie chart. From the given data, we find the total of frequency. Now, you have to find the total of the frequency. For each variable, we calculate the angle. Now, dear student, how to calculate the angle for each sector? Central angle for the variable, that is frequency of the variable divided by the total frequency. Whatever the frequency is given, you have to divide it by with the total number of frequency and multiply it with 360. You will get the central angle. We draw a circle of convenient radius. We draw sector corresponding to central angle. Calculate in the step above. Write down the name of the variable and the corresponding central angle in the sector. Whatever the name is given, you have to write. Always remember, sum of all the central angle is always equal to 360. So let us start our exercise. 5.2. A survey was made to find the type of music that a certain group of young people like in a city. Given pie chart show finding of this survey. Now here pie chart is given. Now let us this pie chart. It is given that 40% used to like light music, 20% like semi classical music, 10% like classical music, and 30% like folk music. Now from this data we have to give the answer. From this pie chart, answer the following. If 20 people like classical music, how many young people were surveyed? Now dear student, here 20 people like classical music, 20 people, which is 10%. So now let us required number of young people, we considered it as x. That means 10% of x is equals to 20, because here number of people given, and which is just 10% of whole survey, whole pie chart. It is just a 10%, because 10% of x, we had to suppose that number of people like classical music be x, and which is equals to 20 given. If you find the 10% of that x, that is 10 by 100 equals to 20. So 0 and 0 will get cancelled, or you can do cross multiplication, so that you will get 200 people, that is 200 young people were surveyed. Out of 200 people, 10%, that is 20, used to like classical music. Which type of music is liked by the maximum number of people? The maximum number of people like what kind of music? Light music. From this graph we can say that, from this pie chart, which is 40%, so 40% people like light music. If a cassette company were to make 1000 CDs, how many of each type would they make if the total number of CD is 1000? So it's very simple. Let us find first for semi-classical, which is 20%, and total number of CD is 1000. So number of CD for semi-classical music, semi-classical, which is 20%. So just find the 20% of 1000. So we can say that 200 cassette, 200 CDs for semi-classical. Then you have to find the number of CD for classical, which is 10%. So 10% of 1000, which is 100. Then number of CDs for folk, which is 30%. So 30% of 1000 gives 300. Then number of CDs for light music, which is 40% of 1000, gives 400. When you will do the total of such number of CDs, you will get 1000. Now let us see the another question. A group of 360 people were asked to vote for their favorite season from 3 seasons: rainy season, winter season, and summer season. Now if we find from this survey, we found that most of the people like winter season. Now 150 of them had vote for winter season, 120 of them had vote for rainy season, and just 90 people vote for summer season. So let us start. If you do the total, that is 7, and you will get 360 over here. Now which season got the most vote? We can, from this table, we can say that winter season got the most vote. Then find the central angle of each sector. Now the total vote are 90, 120 and 360. If you do the total, you will get 360. That is total number of frequency. Now the formula says central angle for the sector corresponding to for summer season. So here the formula says that what is the formula? Just now we saw that frequency of the variable means what is the frequency of this variable? Summer season 90 divided by total number of frequency divided by total of frequency, that is 360 over here. So 90 divided by 360, you have to multiply with 360 to convert this data into degree. So 360 and 360 will get cut, so finally 90 degree. Then rainy season, same, 120 divided by 360. 120 is the frequency of the given variable, frequency 120 divided by total, that is 360. How you got this 360? That is total number of frequency. Multiply by 360 degree, because pie chart whole circle is of 360. 360 and 360 will get cancelled. Finally 120 degree for rainy season. And winter season, that is 150 divided by 360. 150 is the frequency of the given variable, total number of watt, divided by total number of frequency, that is 360, multiplied by 360 degree, which is a total complete angle of this pie chart. 360 and 360 will get cancelled. Finally 150 degree. Now we need to draw pie chart according to this data. So first you draw this kind of circle, then place your protector and try to get 90 degree first. 90 degree, try to draw one straight line over here and try to get this 90 degree and name it summer season. Then next one is rainy season, which is 120 degree. Try to place your protector like this, in this way, and try to get 120 degree starting from 0, that is 120 degree. See here, from here to here 120 degree. This line is over here, so you have to start see there, your 0 start 0 from here. So 120 degree you will get. Then write down 120 rainy season. Then finally 115. Dear student, no need to find such, because whatever is left, that is 150 only. If you want to check, you can check it. Place your protector in this way and start your 0 from here, and this is how you will get 150 degree. Place your protector properly. See here, just 150 degree, and name it winter season. See the next question. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the color preferred by the group of a people. Dear student, here the number of people like blue color, 18 number of people, 9 number of people like green color, 6 number of people like red color, 3 number of people like yellow color, and the total frequency is 36. Now let us see how to construct. First you have to divide, you have to divide the circle into sector. How to divide the circle into sector? You should know the angle. So degree you should know. So how to convert it into degree? So formula says first find the, for blue color, that is frequency of the variable, that is 18, divided by total number of frequency, that is 36, multiply by 360 degree. 36 tens are, and 10 18s are 180 degree. Then for green color, same, 9 is the given frequency of the variable, divided by 36, that is total number of our frequency, multiply by 360 degree. 36 tens are, and 10 nines are 90 degree. Then for red color, variable for the given frequency, that is 6, divided by 36, that is total number of our frequency, multiply by 360 degree. 36 tens are, and 10 6 are 60. Then for yellow color, 3 is the frequency of the given variable divided by 36, that is total number of frequency, multiplied by 360 degree. 36 tens are, and 10 3s are 30. This is how we got the degree of all the sector. When you will do the total, you will get exact 360 degree. Now let us construct such. Now first one is 180 degree. First you need to draw a circle like this, then try to construct 180 degree. So 180 degree means straight angle. So simply, very simple, just put it in the center and try to draw one straight line. So you will get 180 degree. Name it blue color. Then 90 degree. So place your protractor like this and try to get straight line 90 degree over here. Straight line. So name it 90 degree green color. Then 60 degree. Place your protractor like this in the center, and from here 0 to 60 degree, place it like this and get 60 degree from 0 to 60. Draw a line and write down 60 degree red color. Then finally 30 degree. Yes student, no need to construct such. By default you will get 30 degree at the end. Whatever is left, see here 30 degree. Write 30 degree yellow color. This is how you have to construct your pie chart. Let us see the another question. The given pie chart gives the marks scored in an examination by a student in Hindi, English, Maths, Social Science and Science. If the total marks obtained by the student were 540, answer the following question. Now dear student, here this is a pie chart given in your question. SS 65 degree, Maths 90 degree, English 55 degree, Hindi 70 degree and Science 80 degree and so on. Now let us see the question. In which subject did the student score 105 marks? Now how to get such? Now dear student, here the total marks scored is given in the question 540. Now total marks is 540. Now the central angle corresponding to 540 equals to 360 degree. That means what? Total degree of pie chart is 340. Now we have to find the central angle corresponding to 105 marks. If total 540 marks correspond to 360, the total 105 marks correspond to, let's say, so if you want to convert this 105 to degree, so what we need to do is again same method, 105, which is the frequency of the variable, divided by total number of frequency, that is 540, multiplied by 360 degree. When we will do cancellation, that is 0 and 0 cut, 6 9s are, 6 6 are, then 3 3s are, 3 35s are. In the same way, and when we will multiply 35 2s are 70 degree. So from the table you find that 70 degrees of Hindi. So we can say that students scored 105 marks in Hindi. So you can write, since the sector having a central angle 70 degree is corresponding to Hindi, the students score 105 marks in Hindi. Now the next question is, how many more marks were obtained by the student in the mathematics than in Hindi? Now dear student, we have to find the marks of mathematics. Here the degree corresponds to mathematics is 90 degree. So we have to, now here we have to find the marks. We are not converting the marks into degree. The central angle corresponding to sector mathematics is, central angle is 90 degree. The marks scored in mathematics, so 90 degrees should be divided by 360. Previously we used to write 360 over here because we used to find the degree. Now here we need to find the marks, so 90 degrees should be divided by 360 degree multiplied by total number of marks score. Previously this total number of a variable used to come over here. Now here we are finding the marks. So when we will do cancellation, 0 and 0 cut, 9 6 are and 9 4s are. In the so you will get 135 marks. Now he scored 135 marks in mathematics, and for Hindi it is already given in the question 105 marks. When you will see get the difference, you will find that 30 more marks scored in mathematics than in Hindi. Let us see the another question, third one. examine whether the sum of the marks obtained in social science and mathematics is more than that of a science and Hindi. Now dear student, here you no need to find the marks, just get the total of the degree whatever is given. For social science, it is given 65 degree, social science and mathematics. The social science and mathematics, that is 90 plus 65 gives 155 degree. That is 155. Then find the sum of the central angle of science and Hindi. Science and Hindi 70 plus 80, that is 150. Now the which total is greater? 155 is greater. So we can say that marks obtained in social science and maths is more than that of a marks scored in science and Hindi. Let us see the last question. Question number 5. The number of students in a hostel speaking different language is given below. Display the data in a pie chart. Now we found that 40 number of students used to speak Gujarati, 12 number of students used to speak English, 9 number of students used to speak Urdu, 7 number of students used to speak Hindi, 4 number of students used to speak Sindhi. Now the total number of a variable is 72, which is given. Now we have to convert all this thing in degree so that we can easily construct the we can easily divide the sector in our pie chart. Now Gujarati, now 40 divided by 72 multiply by 360 degree, so you will get 200 degree. Then for English, 12 divided by 72 multiply by 360. 360 is the total number of a degree, so when you will do cancellation you will get 60 degree. Then for Hindi, 9 divided by 72 multiply by 360 degree, you will get 45 degree. Then for Hindi language, 7 divided by 72 multiply by 360 degree, you will get 35 degree. Then for Sindhi, 4 divided by 32 multiply by 360 degree, you will get 20 degree. Now one by one we have to construct such in our pie chart. So first we have to get this 200 degree. So how to get 200 degree? First you need to draw one circle like this, then place your protractor like this, and more than, it should be 200 means more than 180. So try to draw one straight line and more than, so add 20 degree to it, so total 200 degree you will get over here. Name it Gujarati language, 200 degree. Then place your protractor like this and try to get this 60 degree. So from here 0 to 60 in this way. Name it English language, 60 degree. Then the third one is 45 degree. Place your protractor on this particular line, it should be straight, and try to get 45 degrees between 40 and 50. Between 40 and 50, 45 degree. Then name it Urdu language, 45 degree. Then 35 degree. So 35 degree, again try to place your protractor over that line, on that line. 35 degree between 30 and 40, see this darker line, 35 degree, write it Hindi language. Last one is Sindhi language, which is 20 degree. No need to construct such, just place your protractor like this, and finally if you want to check, see here, from here to here it's 20 degree. By default you will get whatever is left, whatever sector is left, it is of 20 degree.